Hare Krishna. Though I knew Maharaj from his very first visit to New Zealand, but unfortunately I didn't get the opportunity to have that lengthy association with him. The little association that I had, my family had with him, is still cherished. Maharaj always advocated simple living and high thinking. One of the things that stands out associating with Maharaj is that we go to, we'll accompany him to have prasad at different devotees' places. Maharaj will have prasad first and we'll stop ourselves too. Immediately after prasad, Maharaj will start a class. And then, because there will be just few of us, he can have personal attention. And you can imagine how difficult it was to keep our eyes open after heavy indulgence of prasad. But that will go on for an hour, and you'll justify that you can't have prasad without giving something. Meaning that you need to give some association, some Krishna conscious wisdom to justify the prasad that you are eating. And Maharaj also been very practical. Whenever he came to New Zealand, he would have classes. In his programs, he'll be teaching Bhagavatam slokas. His classes will not be normal classes, just read a slok and then lecture on it. He will pick up few slokas for the week, and then every day he will teach us a sloka. And then he will ensure that we memorize those slokas. He'll give us homework for the night. And the following day we have to come and recite these slokas for him. And I still remember, still chant his favorite ones were the prayers of Queen Kunti. And I still remember those prayers. And I'm very indebted to Maharaj. And the other time, he also made us recite some slokas of Bhagavad Gita. And I don't know, I can't remember the actual incident, how we got into that, but he made me recite learn chapter 15 of Bhagavad Gita. And before he left New Zealand, I had to recite it back to him without looking at the book. So, at that time it was a bit of hard time because he was here for a week. And I was working during the daytime, and within break I had to memorize the slokas. I couldn't go and tell Maharaj that I'm working, I don't have time. But I took the challenge, and I'm still grateful, very grateful to Maharaj that he made me do it. And today, till this day, I remember chapter 15 of Bhagavad Gita. And that's my favorite chapter whenever I go to some programs. If I have nothing else to talk on, chapter 15 is there. I know it. So this little association I had with Maharaj, he has left immemorial teachings with me. And both my family and I are grateful to him and will be forever. Thank you, Maharaj. His Holiness Mahavishnu Maharaj Ki Jai.